What's going on, y'all? This is Ren Lee from Game Game. And real quick, right from the start, I just want to get straight to the chase for anyone tuned in that don't want to spend too much time in this video because you got things going on, stuff you got to get to, and I understand because I've been going through similar situations. So what I want to share with you is we got this platform called Acorns, and if you click the link in my description, go sign up and deposit $5. And then put 4 people on the platform before this Saturday. That's what, April 1st. You will receive an $825 bonus in your account.
Hey, Don! Let's get
Welcome back to Game. So I real quick want to dive into what I think y'all may find is essential information. Any of y'all who are interested in taking up this referral promotion from Acorns. And again, you can get more information from the company by going ahead, just clicking the link in my description, signing up yourself, verify your information. A lot of the things will be self-explanatory. So, but just follow me on my screen. You check out my invest account. I told y'all at the start, if you were listening, that you can go ahead, sign up here, deposit $5. Then you refer 4 people, have them deposit $5 just like you are with me, and you're going to receive an $825 bonus. Now, when I told you that, I told you that with confidence, right? I didn't say like, oh, you might get an $825 bonus. Oh, you'll be entered into a raffle to get an $825 bonus. No, I said you will receive an $825 bonus in your account, right? And the reason I know that with proof is because I actually took Acorns up on one of these referral bonuses before. I actually was trying to hit multiple of these referral bonuses over the last year and managed to finally hit one in November. So if we look at my account and my activity, you actually see that I've invested $37 with Acorns, and yet I've withdrawn $200. Now, that already we're looking at great math, the kind of math that seems to be working in my favor. So if we step back, you'll see on this previous screen right here, I still have, even after taking $200 out of the account, a $239 value in my Acorns account. Now, I'm not sure if I made this real clear in the first part of the video, but every single dollar you put into Acorns is your money. You don't lose a dollar or cent of anything you put in except for the little market fluctuations of, okay, stock market goes up, money goes up. Stock market goes down, money goes down. And I'm working on getting more. And by clicking the link in my description, you'll actually be supporting the channel and helping me in my goals by helping me reach that $825 bonus myself. Yeah, last thing I want to let you guys know is once you're signed on to Acorns, you get yourself verified, make a $5 deposit. Even if you don't get the 4 people before this Saturday, they've probably got more bonuses coming for you. So just stay in tune with the Acorns account. Check your email notifications as well, and see about getting some of this money while it's on the table, because they did this consistently for months last year, and I'm fixing to get my share while it's here to be getting. I invite you to do the same to get yours. Here at Game, you gain info, you click links, and you gain money. And we get paid when you get paid. Gratitude for giving us your time. Gratitude for paying attention. And we'll see you next time. Salute.